Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to OneSignal for push notification webhooks step by step clearly. Visit the OneSignal website. Click on the Get Started button to create an account. Fill in the required details to set up your new account. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your OneSignal account. Click on Add a new app to start creating your application. Choose the appropriate platform for your web application. Enter your application name and select Web Push. Click on Next to proceed with the setup. Choose your web platform from the available options. Complete the required configuration for your chosen platform. Once set up, navigate to the Keys and IDs section of your app dashboard. Here, you will find your app ID and REST API key. Now, go to the Settings tab from the left-hand menu. Scroll down to find the Webhooks section. Enable the webhook feature by toggling the option to on. Enter the URL for your server endpoint where notifications will be sent. Select the event types for which you want to receive webhooks. Click Save to apply your settings. Test your webhook by sending a test notification from the dashboard. Monitor your server logs to ensure the webhook is properly configured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.